a very beautiful green space, and we want to make it more attractive for people in the city and also for tourists with new ideas and technologies to get a better urban space.
Citizens of Breda. We want them to be creative as a community to decide to give the municipality all the tools it needs to decide what to implement.
Create a tool for city planners to use data-informed design to create public spaces. A tool for the local community to voice their opinions and ideas with the use of artificial intelligence models and AR visualizations.